Hey guys, I have an idea and this is all I'm going to be using. Two colors, and I'm going to be doing a cloud pour. I'm going to be using half of the satin enamels with half of the flow acrylic mixed, then a little bit of pouring medium and water with these two colors only. So let me go set myself up here and I am going for this. Alright you guys, so this is my favorite cloud pour that I've done of all time up till now. Dude, I just can't wait till next weekend to try this again. My eyeballs are just way too happy right now. It's like an overdose. It's so freaking cool. Now I know it's probably gonna dry a bit lighter than this. It's gonna fade a bit. But let's pray for the best, that it stays, at least that the shapes stay. The overall look is awesome. Yeah, you can feel the excitement right now, right? I'm tripping. Okay, so stay tuned for the dried result. Back with the dried result, and it looks exactly the same. I have to admit, I am surprised that the paints didn't fade, really. The negative space area darkened there and there, but that's fine. That's like, I cannot complain right now. I have to admit that I'm not used to using the Liquitex basics on their own, but from what I see here, they fade less than the DecoArt Americana small bottles. So yeah, this is not varnished at all. And there's a little bit of texture from the clouds. You can feel them. It's kind of cool. So in case you guys don't know, I get to paint once a week. With the new job that I started a few months ago, let's just say that I don't do much during the week. At night I finish projects, but I don't really pour anything. I do that only once a week. So yeah, cannot wait till next weekend. All right, hope you guys like this. Have a good one.